Jed and Alexi. Jed, please stay with Alexi. Feel like home next. Another friend, Lars Arshaka. Sige, Lars, I'll give you more seconds to dance, Alexi. Wow. Keep dancing, Lars. Still at home next. Another friend of our debutant. Clap your hands for Andre Cabana. Andre! Till I call next happens to be our debutant's handsome, tall brother. Clap your hands for Jared Barrera! Jared, keep dancing your ate. Enjoy your moment together. Sino mas matangkad? Jared, please stay with your ate. Keep dancing till I call next. Perhaps the most important man at Alexi's life. Perhaps her first love ever na makapagbibigay ng conditional love for our debutant. Everybody, I want you all to give your loudest to the one and only Daddy Nelson Moreno!
Tell us all.
One more time, make some noise!
True as it can be. Barely even felt that somebody else unexpectedly.
Daddy, I want you to take your time to enjoy your moment with your daughter, Alexi. Ang bilis ng panahon, Daddy. No? Naalala mo pa ba yung first Jollibee together? Yeah, keep dancing, sway around, pwede mo siya ikot-ikot ng konti. And don't be shy, pwede mo pa rin siya ganyan. That's your baby, that's your love. Daddy, Daddy, keep it dancing. Yeah, sway Alexi around. Wow, there you have it. One more time, clap your hands for Daddy Nelson and Alexi. And Daddy and Alexi, please stay there till I call all the participants of 18 Roses to please join Alexi for one quick group picture. 18 Roses participants, punta sa harap para sa isang mabilis na photo opportunity with Alexi. Higit na lang po natin ang ating debutant. Next is Alexi's 18 wishes. Okay? Fine, tawag na to, diba? Picture, guys. Mga titas, mga friends, better be ready with your messages. Kulang pa. Ito pa. Guys, triple check kung 18 na. 18 na po ba? Yung matatangkad, medyo sa likod ng soto, take the front row para kita lahat. Yan. Okay, smile. Waki-waki rin ha, waki-waki. Thank you so much, guys. Again, clap your hands for Alexi. 18 roses. And now, it's time for Alexi's 18 candles, 18 wish. Ito, Benny.
Alexi. Alexi, grabe, ang ganda mo ngayon. You're so stunning. Kamukha mo si si Cyrene Manabat, pero matangkad. Congrats sa proud parents. At saka, alam mo, ang swerte mo. Kasi meron kang parents. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Yun lang ang gagawin mo. Parents mo ang bahala, basta mag-aaral ka. Okay?
Okay. Oh, umiiyak si Tita Lani. Tears of joy. Si Tita Lani, dito muna sa gilid, Tita. Next will be another Tita. From Tita Myla Morales. Tita Myla. Gusto daw nila ng entrance, DJ. Tita Myla.
Happy birthday, Alexi! Wish ko mag-aral kang mabuti and sumunod sa mga...
But you've always stayed the strongest. You make life lighter just by being in it. The laugh, the late talks, and even the stupid moments, they all matter because they're with you. I'm so proud of the person you are becoming. And I hope you never forget how loved, valued, and important you are. And on your birthday, I wish you peace, happiness, and everything your heart has been quietly hoping for. May this year be kind to you, and may you always remember that you'll never walk alone because I'm always here being your sister. And once again, happy birthday to my best friend, my sister, my safe place, my forever person, and I love you always, my sister.
Thank you so much, Sarah Villarama. We're down into our last three. Again, next will be a dear cousin of Alexi, cousin from the father side of beautiful Ella Barreno.
Hello, Alexi. I hope you're enjoying your big day. Hindi tayo masyado nakakapag-usap, pero I hope this time we'll be able to bond more. And all I wish is that you keep being healthy and you keep working hard. And I wish you the happiest 18th birthday. I hope you enjoy your fun.
Beautiful message, Ella. Let's have a quick snap with Alexi. Next will be perhaps a future cousin-in-law. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Patricia de Guzman.
Hi Alexi, happy birthday. We wish you success and happiness as you step into adulthood. And just be yourself and focus on the goals that you set for yourself and enjoy your journey.
Thank you so much, Patricia. Please have a quick snap. And saving the best for last, everybody get ready. For we're about to call the 18th. We're going to present her wish for her loving ate. Everybody, welcome to our debutant's little loving sister. Clap your hands for Lauren Moreno.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. I wish you a great adulthood and thank you for bringing it down to the family.
Wow. Clap your hands for that. Ready si Lauren. Now it's time for our participants to light up those candles. For Alexi, we're about to blow it one at a time. Okay? Alexi, don't forget to whisper a wish before you blow each candle. Alright, so Alexi. Picture muna, picture as a group. Smile. One more. Okay! Ay, nag-ready na sila. Get ready, guys. Loved ones and friends, you're all welcome to join, ha? Question number 1. By the way, you're not allowed to shout the answer po. You need to stand up, be fast towards here. Question number 1. 18 years ago. Uy, that's the biggest clue out of this question. 18 years ago, our debutant was born. Who among you here can give us the, without shouting the answer, the exact birth date of Alexi? Wow! Too close to call. Okay. Who I have here is, what is your name?
Brianna po.
Brianna, how are you related to Alexi?
Friend po. Best
Best friend? Ako, I'm pretty sure you're gonna give me the correct answer. Brianna, sige. Can you give me the exact birth date of Alexi? So you need, you need to give me the exact month, day, year, and the time. The time when she was born. You ready for that? Sige. The date. What's the date?
For the date po, December 8, 2007.
Okay. Was it AM or PM? You look at mommy. You look at daddy and mommy. Again, the finalist answer is
December 8, 2007.
December 8, 2007 is correct. A picture with Alexi.
Happy birthday, Alexi. Nag-aral ka ng mabuti.
Naka-rhyme yan, ha? Thank you, Tito.
Happy birthday, Alexi. Kumuha ka na ng valid ID kasi kailangan din ng valid ID. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Alexi. I hope that you have a happy adulthood and a happy life.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ito ang mga natin itong portable na cake. Tapos anong bili, anong gusto mo.
After Tito Sam will be Alexis. Hi, Ira.
Hi, happy birthday, Alexi. 18 is such a very fun age to be in. So all I can say is for you to enjoy and savor every moment. Do not rush things, just enjoy. Happy birthday!
Do not rush things, just enjoy. Okay? Next as well. Cousin of Alexi, clap your hands for Brittany Villate. Hi, Brittany. Clap your hands.
Hi Alexi, happy birthday. May this gift help you bring all the necessary things you needed to when you go out. Happy birthday.
Wow. They both sounds brilliant. And choices of words. Okay, thank you, Brittany and Ira. Next will be cousin, right? Garrett Moreno. Garrett. Ay, matatanta ng mga Moreno, ha?
Happy birthday, Ate Alexi. I wish for you to be a good ate for your brother Jared and your sister MJ.
Yeah.
As you step into the spotlight of adulthood, remember that your debut is a reflection of strong, beautiful individual you've become.
Happy birthday Lexi. As you step into adulthood, may you stay focused on your studies and build a bright future of your life.
Thank you, Ate Jessica. Smile.
Next will be another
Ronald.
Happy birthday, Lexi. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your teenage.
Thank you so much. So sweet of you, Tito Ronald. Have a quick snap with Alexi. Picture lang saglit. Kuya Churong.
Hello Alexi, happy birthday and enjoy your life, live your life to the fullest and always respect your parents. And dito Alan, hindi na tayo magsisinungaling. 18 na.
Hindi na. Hindi na pwede na pagpapak.
Lord Morales!
Hello Alexi, happy 18th birthday. Hindi, makakataka na namin ni Tito Alan sa mga gimmick. Yung regalo is tataan muna sa parents mo of course kasi QR code yun. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you!
Hello, Alexi. Happy birthday. Natagal natin din nakita. Happy birthday. Enjoy your life.
Okay, smile. Thank you, Ninang Myla.
Ninang Medi! Jokoy! Ninang Medi Jokoy! Ninang Medi!
Alexi, nasabi na nila lahat. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ninang Medi. With picture. Wish or message mo para kay Alexi?
Alexi, happy birthday. Sana lahat ng mga wishes nila matupad. Sana mag-aral ka mabuti at makatapos. Happy birthday.
Beautiful message. Picture po.
Next will be...
Miss Luis, you can sit beside Alexi. Ay, dito sa kapit.
Happy birthday, Lexi. Welcome to Legality. Make sure to be kind and make wise decisions. Thank you.
Oh, and Miss Luis.
Jumbo Hamilton being... Sir Lord?
Sorry ko tayo kay Alexi.
Happy birthday, Alexi. Message ko lang always, listen to your parents for their golden advices. Happy birthday.
Yun, thank you.
Yan na! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Alexi. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Wow! Well, I've noticed pare-pareho kayo ng envelope, ah. Are you all from BDO? Ayan. Tama po ba? BDO sila.
Mamaya, uy! From that table as well! Oo! Binorin! Ayan! Wow!
Pare-pareho kayo ng you all find ways. Pare-pareho.
Hi, Alexi. Happy 18th birthday. So, sana maging mabait ka lang din at masunurin kila mommy and dad. So, enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
Tatlo mo. Ito yung galing sa akin kay Tita Chris.
Oh.
Tatlo yan. So, isa pang Shopee, isa pang Lazada, isa pang Shein.
Pang ano yung isa?
Shein.
Shein. Wala pang TikTok.
Ay, wala. May mapapadala pa ba? Hindi, talaga seriously.
Seriously?
English kasi sila kanina. But happy birthday birthday, Ate Alexi. Sabi nila, welcome to adulthood. Pero ang masasabi ko, no, okay lang magkamali. Okay lang sometimes you feel confused. Kasi syempre, you're making wise decisions, di ba? Okay lang din tumawa. Okay lang umiyak, pero kung kaya si Tita Lani tsaka si Lola Nika ay napabilis sa umiyak. Pero yun, kasi part yun ng adulthood, so it's okay. Katulad nung sabi na yan, you make wise decisions kung paano mo nagastusin, no? Pero tanong ko ibibigay mo kay Mami. Ayaw. Ayan. So, ngayong evening ka na, always make wise decisions. Minsan hindi mo kailangan ng guidance hindi mo kailangan si Mama at Papa para mag-decide. Pero you always seek for their guidance. Yan. Happy birthday!
Well, thank you so much, Tita.
Ayun, Tita Jason. Para sa lahat.
Happy birthday, like, wala na silang lahat sinabi nila. Happy birthday.
Ayan, Tito Jason, napapasayaw ko ba sa tugtog natin? Panahon ni Tito Jason. Kino, sumasagot na! Come on! Hey! Galing, ginaw!
So, Alexi, alam mo maraming darating sa buhay mo, no? Opportunities and challenges. So, lagi ko lang mag-pray. Then kung ma-achieve mo yung mga opportunities na yun, celebrate, mag-pray naman move forward na. So, ayun, be a good person and also a kind woman.
Wow! Good person and a fine woman. Kala ko magaling darating na opportunity. Opportunity! Okay! Ninong Franco will be followed. Teka! Sumasayaw si Ninong Alan! Pwede ba babas maingay mga Ninong Alan? Sabi fans niyo, ha? Parang factory ng Hanabishi, ha?
So, Alexi,
Dalar. Sabi ganun.
you know this, how we party, but we follow the rules. So, there's no you always need poblacion and value.
Hey! Sino dyan? Sayaw! There you go! Tita, pwede mo tabihan si Alexi para it's more intimate. Sige, sabi.
From Simon and Luke, and there's something there I love you. You're an ate, so you're an adult. It doesn't mean, it doesn't necessarily mean that you can decide for yourself. You can always ask for that. So enjoy
Kayang naman yun.
Clap your hands one more time. Tita Hope Sumera! Come on, Tita Hope! Hey! Tita Hope.
Happy birthday. The last time that I saw you was maybe like 15 years ago, so that's like a long time. So I want you to be like happy all the time. If you need to contact me, just Facebook, okay? You can talk to me. And make sure you always be happy, okay? Listen to your parents, okay?
Wow! Tita Hope Sumera. Awal ya, sama yang melakukan pertahanan. I love your accent. Tita Chris Gorgonius. Tita Chris. Ay, saan ba yun? Saan ba kayo? Dagri! From the back. Ayun. From your hands, mga Dagri, magiging!
Happy birthday, Alex. Ang ano ko lang sa'yo ay matupad lahat ang pangarap mo sa buhay.
Wow! Pulis ba si tita? Pulis woman. Well, diretsyo ang mensahe niya.
Okay, Tito G Maneno! Sa pamagigay para kay Tito G!
Wow!
Sorry, I didn't have blue pills. I had pink with a lot of blue pills inside.
Oh, pen. Ayan na, ayan na. It's okay, it's okay. Oy.
Blue pills daw eh.
Tita?
Ayan, happy 18th birthday. Ang ganda-ganda ni Ate Alex. Sino ka mukha? Daddy. Ayan, wish ko sa iyo, be a responsible young woman and be a loving sister to Jared and LJ. Be a loving sister. Be an example to them, good example to them. And ito lang ang sasabi ko, honor the sacrifice of your dad. Na, correlate, ano, malayo, minsan na magkasama, but be sure na make worth it ang pag-uwi ng daddy kay sandali lang, saglit lang, make time, daddy. Ayan, Ayan, enjoy your, pagdadalaga and listen to your mommy and your daddy for your good future. Make them proud. Okay? Happy birthday! Thank you!
Beautiful message. Double check the list. Okay.
18th in our list, Sir Lordwin Morales! A happy brain cancer award! One more time for Lordwin Morales! Okay, naman, listen now! And from to dance, let's go! Come on!
Sir, tabihan mo si Alexi.
Happy birthday. Lahat kasi ng message nila, sundin mo na lang since all of them are and listen to your parents. Then, and mahahalak ka na namin yung
Lagot kalan.
It's enough. Huwag mo pakita ka na. Ayun, enjoy. And happy birthday.
Wow! Thank you! Lord Queen? Bakit ang galing niya sumayaw, no? Kasi sumayaw, kahit ano. Kasi si tatanda ko pag nasa popla, ha? Ito Alan, is the name. Sa LU! Kwento na po ba yung ating mga tinawag ko for eating bills?
Let's do it louder and faster! Everybody!
Hey, to you!
Sing it loud! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alexi, I want you to close your eyes for a few seconds. I want you to whisper a wish for yourself and for your loved ones. And on our count of 1, 2, 3, Alexi, you're going to blow your 18th birthday candle. Everybody, let's all count. 1, 2, and 3! Yay! Everybody, hep hep! One more time, hep hep! And you all shout the loudest. Happy birthday, Alexi! 3, 2, 1!
Oh, meron pa? Ha? Ah, sige, sige.